Look at that cougar. Look at that, Oliver. Look, Evan. I'm actually doing video right now.
Oh. Really? Oh, that's so funny. Oliver, that cougar's name is Oliver too. Maybe that's why he's coming over here, because he thinks we know his name. That's so cool.
What do you think, Oliver?
It's Oliver too, just like you. Hi, Cougar. Yeah, Cougar. There he is. He went that way now.
Oh yeah, you're right.
What a pretty kitty. There's another one up there. You can see him.